These are my super simple Galentine cards I put together this year for my female friends. Just so you know, Galentine's Day is the day that you celebrate your female friends and your beloved female family members. So these are old get well greeting cards. And they're not Valentine's Day, they're not Galentine's Day cards. So I had to use stickers and cat photos that I cut from last year's calendar, and I had to place it over the get well messages. But I thought they were still really cute, and I thought they would work great for Galentine's cards for my friends. These are low energy, super simple crafts. Just slap some stickers on the card, and then you can write a sweet message inside. It's really nice and relaxing way to create and share joy with your friends. So I just wanted to share these, and there was a little piece of dust there. I just wanted to share these with y'all, so maybe it could inspire you too. Bye.